Bitcoin money sort of has a medium-term opposition at $119.28 in an especially genuinely large manner. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $235.76 in an essentially enormous manner. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 in a for the most part huge way. The essentially current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money generally is at $151,877,595, which for the most part is very critical. 13 November 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for pretty fundamentally 1 week from now, and especially generally attempt to answer these regularly most certainly clarified pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is essentially transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, truly is BCH a by and large wise speculation. Especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on in a significant manner. However, prior to plunging sort of profound into the BCH specialized examination, explicitly let us really discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which truly shows that 13 November 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Bitcoin money cost investigation for now or for pretty genuinely 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly by and large for the most part gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what especially is certainly momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money. Truly is BCH a wise interest in a decently for the most part enormous manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,414,664,667,125, so the by and large current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money generally is at $151,877,595, or so they in a real sense thought. The genuinely complete exchanging volume especially really remains at $48,913,730,687, showing how the fundamentally current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money generally is at $151,877,595, which basically in every practical sense is very huge, or so they thought. Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, which in every way that really matters is very critical, which is genuinely huge. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33%, especially sort of additional appearance, how the all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $48,913,730,687, showing how the sort of current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money sort of basically is at $151,877,595 in an especially lovely significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours, which especially is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, showing how Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP, fundamentally is somewhere near 2.19 and presently exchanging at 65 cents in a by and large huge manner. Moreover, Solana came to $57.83 subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.02% in esteem, or so they especially explicitly thought. These occasions explicitly show that the market in a real sense is going in a truly descending course for in every way that really matters kind of present moment, which generally is genuinely critical, which is very huge. Right now, a fundamentally broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to sort of especially recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing that XRP, the very local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is somewhere near 2.19 and at present exchanging at 65 cents in an unpretentious manner. Which by and large is genuinely critical. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers, all things considered, truly become truly substantially more in every way that really matters, dynamic, and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of additional in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction generally most certainly is a level at which merchants especially truly become truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving fundamentally a lot higher. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The ongoing Bitcoin money cost generally is $235.76, with an exchanging volume of $151,877,595 in the sort of beyond 24 hours, in a for the most part large manner. Right now, BCH by and large is somewhere around 0.96% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,610,983,220 United States dollars, showing how yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the BCH specialized examination, truly let us for the most part discuss the sort of current economic situations, which generally explicitly shows that 13 November 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for pretty exceptionally 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly essentially clarified some pressing issues, facts, what truly is certainly momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money, truly is BCH a truly wise speculation, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin money value investigation BCH cost examination for 13 November 2023, inside an everyday time span in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, which for the most part shows that market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very certainly whole digital currency market to $1,414,664,667,125. So the in every way that really matters, current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money by and large is at $151,877,595, which generally is genuinely huge. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving commonly kind of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the Bitcoin money. So which all things considered, brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33%, genuinely further appearance how the kind of complete exchanging volume truly remains at $48,913,730,687, showing how the kind of current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money certainly sort of is at $151,877,000